Hey everyone, welcome to a special edition of Nick Drinks. I'm your host, Nick Britsky, and we are starting our Game of Thrones whiskey series. This is a limited edition of whiskey that came out in October through up to right about the beginning of 2019, and the first one is White Walker by Johnnie Walker.
Ooh.
Yeah.
And now, for another episode of Game of Drinks, Episode 1. Brought to you by Diageo.
That's good. Run all you want. Winter is coming, Nick Snow.
So we started off the video with that little sketch that you saw. Thank you to my brother-in-law, Paul. He played the White Walker. And if any of you remember, he also plays Booze Bunny on the TV show.
You can DM me for my agent's number because, going to get a lot of bookings.
A lot of bookings from this. That was some great marrying at work, by the way.
Thank you.
So this whiskey series was limited edition. You might be able to still find this one right here, the White Walker, but the other ones are going to be really difficult to find. So we are very excited to taste through all of them.
Yes.
Over the next couple weeks, we're going to release one of these every Monday, leading up to the last one, which is the Night's Watch, the week of the premiere of the final season.
I'm excited.
Yeah, this will be good. So let's look at the first one, White Walker by Johnnie Walker. This is a blend of two distilleries, right?
Yep. I think it was Cardew and Clonelish. So Cardew is a primary source for Johnnie Walker usually. And
Okay.
I think that Clonelish is one of the most northern distilleries in Scotland. So north of the wall, I would assume. Well,
Yeah, and I think they kind of followed the map, so that makes a little sense. Maybe we'll put up a graphic right here to kind of show all that.
Wherever Hadrian's Wall is, it's way even
right
northern
past there.
past that. So
So the flavors that we are going to see on here are caramelized sugar, vanilla, red berry, and there was something else I think in there as well.
I'm looking forward to the vanilla.
Let's pop this open. What was also neat about this is they want you to serve it ice cold. So they have you put it in the freezer, and you actually get this great little message right here. What do we say?
It says winter is here.
So I've never seen the show. Is that important?
The house motto of the Starks family is winter is coming. And winters in Westeros happen once every several years, not once a year like they do in real America.
That was good. I like that chain of logic.
Yeah.
All right.
Just try twisting.
Oh, that was
Nice.
That was easy. All right. So, okay.
Easy peasy.
One for you. Mm-hmm. Boy, am I making a mess. Okay. Cheers, sir. That's not bad. So, get a little bit of wood. Mm-hmm. I get a little bit of that caramely flavor. I don't get a ton of vanilla. I maybe get a little bit of fruit.
I think it's almost got a sweeter taste to it than normal Johnny Black.
Yeah, it does taste a little sweetness to it. Yeah.
Yeah, they said there's more sugar in this. Was that?
Did they say that?
Yeah, I'm trying to remember what.
Caramelized notes.
Yeah, caramelized notes.
Yeah.
So
yeah, I don't think there's any sugar added to this per se.
okay. It's got
yeah.
it's got almost kind of to me it's got a sweeter, more bourbon taste to it than like a blended Johnnie Walker.
Yes, I would say that definitely.
So I don't know if it's finished somewhere near bourbon or if it's got special barrels that it finished in, but It's definitely to me, it's like a sweeter Johnnie Walker. Which
Absolutely, yeah.
I'm a big Johnnie Walker guy in general.
Well, and maybe this is more for a little bit more of American palate. So maybe
Absolutely.
trying to push a bourbon, things like that.
Absolutely.
So.
Yeah. But it's good. I like it. I've got mine in my freezer right now, waiting for the premiere of Game of Thrones. So,
So we got a couple weeks for that.
I know exactly. Yeah, and haven't like desperately broken into it yet. So,
Now, you are a big fan, right?
yes.
Okay.
Yep.
So where did we leave off at the end of the last season?
So the White Walkers had just broken through. These guys had just broken through the wall with the help of a White Walker dragon. Okay. So one of Daenerys' dragons was killed, and they revived it, which was pretty crazy.
Okay.
So spoiler alert if you haven't watched the show in like 3 years.
I mean, it's been a while, right?
Exactly. Ned Stark dead, Joffrey dead, but
Kind of most people are dead.
exactly.
In Game
Yeah,
of
pretty much
Thrones.
everybody you like dead.
It was kind of like when I stopped watching Downton Abbey after like everyone died.
Yep,
So I feel like that's kind of
absolutely.
where we're at here.
Absolutely.
So this has been bottle one. Certainly, if you go now, you might be able to find this. I know when we were going through the airport in London, this was all over duty free. So maybe if you check out something like that, maybe the Canada Crossing, maybe some of the
I
stores.
got mine in Indianapolis in like Thanksgiving time.
So it still might be out there.
Yeah.
If you do see these, this might be a secondary market buy. You're probably going to spend a premium penny. They're about $50 each normally. So
they're beautiful.
Yeah.
It's awesome.
they are very cool. We are very excited to try this one the week before. This will be good here. So I think that's all we got. Paul, thank you so much for your marionette work.
My pleasure.
And we will see you next week when we taste our first bottle of the limited edition. Cheers, everyone.
I see you are dressed up in your full crow regalia, your Night's Watch regalia.
Yeah, do you like this? I didn't have time to go to IKEA, so I went to Bed Bath & Beyond.
I don't know what crimes you committed to get, reduced to being in the Night's Watch, but they gave you the bath mat of probably the local, outhouse or something.
I'm the toilet scrubber.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
good.